A warm welcome to all our TVET lecturers. I'm Prashant Ramdas from Macmillan, and today I will tell you about the exciting new NQF Level 3 course called IT and Computer Science with specialization in Programming and Robotics. The course was launched at Level 2 in January 2023. In January 2024, the following NCV Level 3 subjects will be offered. 1. Introduction to Technical Programming. 2. Introduction to Robotics. And 3. Electronics and Digital Concepts for Robotics, also referred to as EDCR, which is the subject I will focus on in this video. You will need the latest textbooks to teach the correct content and prepare students for exams. The logo New Curriculum for 2024 tells you that this is the correct book. Later in the video, I will show you how our DHET approved TVET First Students Book and Lecturer's Guide are your best choice for students taking this course. Electronics and Digital Concepts for Robotics, sometimes abbreviated to EDCR, introduces robotics students to the basics of electronics. It focuses on the understanding and application of electrical and electronic principles. The subject focuses on 5 main areas of specialization. They are electrical engineering or power systems, electronics, digital concepts, mechatronics, and lastly, computer science. Electrical engineering or power systems refers to application of electricity where heavy current from the main supply is used in a number of applications. In Level 3, students are introduced to light industrial single-phase applications where motors and transformers are used. Thereafter, the focus will be on the generation, distribution and application of three-phase power in motors and transformers. These include the following subject areas and related calculations: principles of magnetism and electromagnetism, transformers, electrical supply systems, electromagnetic force, primary and secondary cells, renewable energy and DC machines. The electronics specialization introduces the student to analog electronics and mainly light current applications. In Level 3, students study semiconductor devices and their various applications. They learn about instrumentation and how to take measurements and draw conclusions from observation. They perform calculations relating to electric circuits, and they construct simple circuits using breadboards and veroboards. Digital concepts has a strong link to computers, programmable integrated circuits, Boolean algebra, microcontrollers, system control, processors, and programming. In Level 3, the focus is on digital electronics and Boolean algebra. Students are introduced to logic gates, PLCs, ladder logic diagrams, Boolean logic, and logic design. The fourth specialization, mechatronics, integrates electronics, electrical engineering, computer technology, and control engineering with mechanical engineering. This integration is necessary when we design, manufacture, and maintain a wide range of engineering products and processes. There is therefore a need for engineers and technicians who can use this integrated approach with a broad knowledge base as promoted in this subject. The fifth and last area of specialization is computer science, which links all the specializations together. The content of EDCR Level 3 is covered in the following 6 topics. Topic 1, Magnetism, Electromagnetic Circuits and Related Concepts. Topic 2, Electrical Supply Systems, Transformers, DC Machines, Series Parallel Network Circuits. Topic 3, Electronic Components and Semiconductors. Topic 4, Electrical Components, Symbols, Circuit Drawings, Prototyping and Design. Topic 5, Electronic Tools and Equipment. Topic 6, Digital Systems, PLCs and Principles. Yes, there are. For ETCR, students must complete several practical projects, including projects that link to Introduction to Robotics Level 3. This subject is offered full-time over 2 semesters spanning 24 weeks, excluding assessment. Teaching time over the 2 semesters is allocated as follows. There are 2 double periods of about 1 hour 50 minutes each, plus 1 single period of about 50 minutes for each of the 24 weeks. This amounts to about 4.5 hours per week or 56 hours. Of these 56 hours, 36 hours are instructor-led contact hours, which also include practical sessions, and 18 hours are instructor-led contact hours dedicated to practical tutorials on computers. Students also need to practice a further 10 hours per term, equivalent to about 1.5 hours per week, in order to reinforce and master practical concepts and skills. Colleges need to provide labs for the students to use for these 10 hours. Colleges must have the required electronic components and software. The list of requirements is visible on screen now. The column on the left lists what is absolutely necessary, and the column on the right recommends additional equipment that colleges should buy if budget permits. The ETCR curriculum will be assessed through 2 components: an internal assessment of 50%, made up of only the ICAS, and an external assessment of 50%, made up of the ISAT, which is 15%, and the external examination, which is 35%. The task quantity weighting of ICAS is made up as follows. There are 2 tests which count 10% each, 2 practical assessments which count 25% each, and 1 internal examination which counts 30%. There are 2 external exam papers. Paper 1 is 3 hours and a total of 100 marks and is a theory paper. Paper 2 is 3 hours, a total of 80 marks and is a design-related paper. The table on your screen now shows how each topic is weighted in the 2 exam papers. The TVET FIRST Students Book is fully aligned with the 2024 curriculum and is packed with features that prepare students for success in the exam. Concise, clear explanation guides students through the curriculum. There are plenty of full-color screenshots, photographs, and diagrams which make the learning experience fun and interesting. The book uses a step-by-step approach to teach problem solving. The Students Book also includes varied activities so that students can practice and consolidate their knowledge. There are summaries and exam-type summative assessments at the end of each module to help students to revise and prepare for exams. The Students Book also includes all the required practicals for the subject. In the Students Book, you will see QR codes that link students and lecturers via their phones to interesting and practical online videos. TVET FIRST has a complete lecturer's pack, which includes the lecturer's guide and a USB. The USB contains year planning documents, study notes for students, and slide presentations to use in class for all the topics in the Students Book. Everything on the USB can be printed out. The lecturer's guide also includes comprehensive answers, links to online materials to support teaching, photocopyable lesson plan templates, and a suggested 40-week teaching plan. TVET FIRST textbooks are approved by the DHET and trusted by lecturers. For the best results, trust TVET FIRST.